Hey there, BIM Adventures. Welcome back to another episode of Revit Mastery 5-minute tutorials with me, Ani. Today we are diving headfirst into the heart of Revit, its user interface. Mastering Revit is like having a treasure map that unlocks the vast potential of this powerful BIM tool. Did you know that Revit interface is designed to be intuitive with purposeful organization to enhance your workflow? It's like personalized cockpit for smooth BIM journey. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, Revit interface consists of multiple components that work harmoniously to boost your productivity. We have our trusty quick access toolbar at the top where you can find customized frequently used commands, and don't forget about the super handy keyboard shortcuts. Revit keyboard shortcuts are like secret handshake that unlock hidden powers. Make sure to memorize your favorites and you will be navigating like a pro in no time. So, the ribbon, that colorful band of command goodness at the top, it is where the real magic happens. It's neatly organized with the architecture, structure and all other tabs to cater your specific project needs. It's your one-stop shop for everything BIM-tastic. Okay, Revit ribbon is customizable. Yes, you heard it right. It is add your favorite tools and features to create your dream interface trailer made for maximum productivity. It's like having a magic wand for efficiency. And here we have Project Properties Palette and Project Browser, a dynamic duo that always ready to assist you. The Project Browser allows you to navigate through your project hierarchy with ease, while the Properties Palette gives you the instant access to the elements properties. Say goodbye to long searches. Did you know that the Properties Palette is context sensitive? It automatically displays the properties of the selected element, making it real-time saver. No more searching that elusive parameter. It's right there. Last but not the least, we have a status bar and view control bar, our navigation command center. The status bar keeps you informed about the essential project details, while the view control bar lets you switch between the various views effortlessly, like it's a BIM GPS. The view control bar even allows you to activate temporary views for specific tasks. It's like having a super suite that adapts to every situation. Get ready, fly through your project with ease. There you have BIM Adventures. Navigating the Revit user interface is the key to unlocking your superpowers, but we are just scratching the surface. There is so much more to explore. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to BIM with Ani for more exciting Revit Smart Street tutorials. Also comment below with your favorite interface feature or any tips you want me to share with the community. Let's create an engaging dialogue and learn together. Until next time, happy BIMing, keep exploring, keep designing, keep mastering Revit. See you in the next adventure. Thank you.